in this video, we'll try to explore how we can pass array to the VBA. So as of now, we know how we can pass single variable to that particular VBA with the help of macros. So now how we can pass is complete one array. So in array we have the multiple numbers. So it's having a list now. So it might be fixed array now. So we can pass 3 or 4, 7 at a one time. So first of all, what I will do is I will just declare one array. So I will declare one array. So in this I will make it as temp array. So what I will do, I will just open and I will update three values here. So they should be like this. So the values will be 3, and after that I will make it as a stack, and finally I will make it as YouTube. Okay, I declared these three things. So let me check where I missed something. So let me okay. And this got error. So because we need to change the variable type. So let me change this variable type to array of list. I mean, I will make a string. So now that error got disappeared. So next step what we need to do. So we need to just take this Excel application scope to run this macro. So here my path is this is the same path. So let copy as this path, and I'm updating this path here. And next, so I want to do execute this macro. So let me take this macro. Okay, so here what I want to do, so I will just pass this argument. So here macro partners. So I will just pass this array. That's it. So now everything is done. So here I need to give this file name. So as of now, I have not created any file name backend. So let me go and declare here. So subject, so I will make it as array data. And so what I have this, so I pass it some data now. So I will make this as data one. Okay, after this, what I will do, so I will just message box. We'll see what will happen. Message box data one. Okay, so this is done. So here my macro name is array data. So let me take and I will directly pass here. Okay, this should be array data. Done. So now let me run this. So what type of data it will throw? So we'll need to check this. So it will throw the error or it will execute that macro or how it will look. So we'll just check it. So if you see here, so it's throwing that some error. So why? Because so this is the data. So data is in the format of array. When you go and check here, data of 0. So it has the text. So this is in the format of array. So that's why it's got error. So let me stop this part and how we can handle this array. Okay. Let me go back to this here. Let me stop this macro. So it got error now. So that's why when I stop this, it automatically goes like. So now let me open this macro. So go to this code window. So the already we know. So this is in the format of array. So if you get any array or list, what we need to know? So we need to just put it in the loop. So for that, take this for each. So you can put whatever the data here for each array data one. So because for why I taken this data one now, so in this data one only I have this data. I mean in the array data having the array of. So next I will what I will do message box of AR. So in this array I have this data. So just repeat this next. So it's the same thing. Just I updated the one for each loop. Okay, let me stop this. One second. Let me check. Did I miss anything? So message box everything is done. So let me go back to the UiPath Studio and running this one. So still if you're not subscribed to techystack channel, so please try to subscribe. So and you can see the more videos like this. So now here executing this macro, let me go to here. What will it do? So it throws this techie. So you can see this techie stack and YouTube. So next it will declare the stack and next it will get the YouTube. So this is the way how we can pass array, complete array to the VBA.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.